Hey guys, it's Troy. Just a really quick video here. It's a cold day here in North Carolina, so I'm kind of holed up in my office in really comfortable clothes. And I want to share with you pen mail. Couple of pens that I got in the mail actually yesterday, but was really busy. Wasn't able to go ahead and do a video, but they're both vintage, and I got both of these from the same seller. And here we go. This one is a nice little Sheaffer, a black and pearl Sheaffer that I got. It's a smaller pen, and you can see that it's really, kind of small to fit in the hand. So, it has to be posted, but both of these pens are going to need some work because, they are lever fillers, and the lever won't lift on these, and they're crunchy. This one in particular is another Sheaffer manufactured pen, but it's their Fineline division. I shared with you previously a pen that I did that was a Sheaffer Fineline, and it was kind of similar to this. This barrel was all kind of cruddy, and I see there's a little bulge here, and the nib looks really, really bad on it. So, I'm using a different camera today, so I'm trying to get used to it. But yeah, it looks really nasty, so I'll try to make this one look a whole lot better by the time I'm done with it. Maybe get that barrel nice and shined up, and get that nib cleaned, and new sacks on them both. So anyway, for like 20 bucks or so, I get a couple of pens that, shipped to my door. So I get to play with them, get to try to make them nice and neat, and try to bring new life back to them. So that's basically all I've got for pen mail for today. A couple of Sheaffer manufactured pens. One of the pens probably from the 30s, the other one probably from up to about the 50s or so. Fineline was a nice little division by Sheaffer, and the Sheaffer, I didn't have any black and pearls, so that's one of the reasons I went ahead and ordered that. Figured I'd have a couple of little projects amongst all the other pen projects that I got going on, and trying to get some pens upfitted actually for you guys. All right, thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.